To begin, we will be using a PowerShell command to perform the upgrade. First, you need to locate and open PowerShell. Search for PowerShell in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select the option to run as administrator. This is crucial for the command to have the necessary permissions. After opening PowerShell with administrative privileges, you will need to copy the provided command. Please paste this command directly into the PowerShell window. Once pasted, press the Enter key to execute the command. The system will then begin the process of checking for and installing any available updates for the Microsoft VC 140 UWP desktop version. Please be patient, as this process may take a little while to complete. Once the command has finished its operations, you may be prompted to confirm the installation or upgrade by pressing the Y key, followed by Enter. Follow these on-screen prompts to finalize the process. In some instances, if you already have the latest version installed, the command may indicate that no upgrade is necessary. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.